Good morning. Welcome to another session of our online lessons. There was a question involving a whole lot of mathematics. Angles, circles, all put together. And here, let's do the question together. Let's say that in the diagram, PQR is an equilateral triangle with side 18 centimeters. M is the midpoint of QR. An arc of a circle with center P touches QR at M. Touches QR at M and meets PQ at A and PR at B. We want to calculate correct to 2 decimal places the area of the shaded region, and this is the shaded region. Let's look at the solution together. So we have our solution. From here, since this is an equilateral triangle and we have been told that all sides are 18, you can get all sides over here. So by drawing the diagram again, so I have my triangle here. With this triangle, that is PQR. What we are having here is an equilateral triangle. Now, with an equilateral triangle, we draw a perpendicular line from P to touch the base QR. So this is perpendicular. Now, this diagram is not drawn to scale. From here, perpendicular line. Now, that line bisects the triangle into 2. That is, means that from here to here will be 9. From here to here also be 9 centimeters. Now, it's 9 centimeters and then 18 centimeters here. Then we can go ahead and find the length of P. Let's assume this is PM. PM. Now, if this is PM, by Pythagoras, the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other 2 sides. And what are we getting over here? Let's go to the formula. We say that PR squared equals PM squared plus MR squared. Now this is 18 squared. That is PM squared plus 9 squared. Now 18 squared, which is 18 times 18, what are we getting? 324. 324. This equals, or we can say that minus 81 equals PM squared. Now we do our basic calculation. That is 324 minus 81. What are we getting? 243 equals PM squared. Now, if this is PM squared, so we are interested in PM but not PM squared. So we have to find the square root of both sides to take off the square. So PM is equal to the square root of 243. And this will give us 9 √3 centimeters. So we are told that PM is 9 √3 centimeters. Now with PM here, we can find the area of the triangle itself. What is the area of a triangle? Now the area of a triangle is given by half base times height. Now, what is the base of this triangle? The base is QR. QR. So 1 over 2 times 18 times 9 root 3. What are we getting? So this is 140.296 centimeters squared. We're talking about area. And the unit of measurement for area is square unit, so centimeters squared. Now let's focus on the sector. The question said, an arc of a circle with center P touches scale R. So let's come to the arc here. Now with this area of a triangle, let's move on to find the area of sector PAB. This is a sector PAB. Now what's the formula for the area of a sector? The formula for area of a sector here. So let's put that one down. Area of a sector. That is theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. Pi r squared. Now what is theta? Now, since this is the center here at P, the question made it clear with center P. Now, and PQR happens to be an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal, all angles are also equal. With all angles being equal, then each interior angle is 60 degrees. So here, that is our theta. That is our theta. That is our theta. With this, then I have 60 over 360 times pi. The question said you should take pi as 22 over 7. So 22 over 7 times, what is our r? R is the radius. R is the radius. Now how do you get a radius? The radius is the height obtained over here. That is the perpendicular height from P to M is the radius. Is the radius. From P to here is the same as P to A, P to B. Because from the radius to any part of the circumference, they are the same. A line from the center to any part of the circumference is a radius. So our radius here is 9 root 3 all squared. From here, a simple calculation here. This is 1 over 6 times 22 over 7 times, now that is 9 root 3 all squared. That is 243. Let's put all together here. That is 1 over 6 times 22 over 7 times 243. 243. The whole of this is 127.2886. That is centimeters squared. From here, we are not finding the area of a sector, we are not finding the area of a triangle. But it's important we find these two areas here, because the shaded portion is in a triangle but outside the sector. So it is now between the sector, and then the base of the triangle QR. That is why it is important that we find these two areas here. Now, what do we get? We go ahead and say that the area of the shaded region, area of the shaded region, this is area of triangle PQR minus area of sector PAB. And this we have gotten the area of triangle as 140.296 centimeters squared. And then area of sector PAB, what are we getting? That is, we had 127.286 centimeters squared. Let's find the difference between these two. The difference between these two. 140.296 minus 127.286. And this is giving us 13.01. Now the question said to two decimal places. Two decimal places. So the final answer here is 13.01 centimeters squared. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you. Goodbye.